what's the latest on the DA's preliminary findings and their audit dun sa mga farm-to-market roads, lalo na yung mga ghost? Ilang kilometro po ba yung nahanap nyong ghost, na confirmed ghost po talaga?
Na-report na rin ni Secretary kanina during sa mga earlier interviews niya. At base doon sa initial findings nga that we received from our Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries Engineering plus the report din sa region, from 2021 to 2025 audit review, yung 2021 to 23, may nakita kami na siyam na ghost projects. And 7 dito ay sa Davao Occidental at 2 projects naman kita sa Lanao del Sur. Meron pang mga ongoing projects reportedly from 2021 to 2023 pero lapsed na kasi yung budget niyan kasi 2 years lang yung validity. So yung iba dyan ay reported completed din ng DPWH but to our account ay hindi pa naman tapos. So but yung ghost project talaga yung 9 na and this 9 ay out of the 4,700 projects. So that represents very minimal amount, about 0.01% of the total number.
Sinong salarin doon, ASEC?
Sinong congressman, ASEC? Kasi nagagalit ang Senate, bakit puro senador daw ang pinapangalanan? Who recommended this? Which congressman recommended these projects or is the one assigned?
I'm not privy kung sinong congressman yung rito. FMR kasi are also congressional
Yes.
projects.
Yeah.
And ang role ng DA talaga is to identify and validate those proposed projects and the implementation really are with the Department of Public Works. Yeah.
And the contractors, are they among the 15 listed by the President himself?
No, based on the records, wala doon sa 15 identified by the President, but mostly are local contractors.
So in your audit, how many % have you already checked of the farm-to-market roads?
Priority yung mga earlier years, 21 to 23, kasi ito talaga dapat yung tapos na. And we're expected na matapos talaga yung we're expecting to complete the audit by the end of the year kasi madami talaga almost 5,000 all over the country.